this is just a quick video. I kind of temporarily mounted this up because I'm trying to determine before I finish up the wall where I'm going to do some support brackets behind to install. I got to figure out the best place to put the power receptacle, the plug. But this is what it looks like. This is your controls, but I just wanted to show you it's really, really well constructed, I think. Those are the 3 aluminum filters. Right behind one is the charcoal, so you can kind of see that's the charcoal filter that you don't need if you're going to go straight ducting, which I'm going to do. There's the fan up in there. It's really easy to put those out, and those are your LED lights. I'll show those off in here in just a second. Here's the sound. Now my phone's going to pick up the sound a lot louder than it is, but you'll get an idea. There's low speed. That's your medium, high. That's your lights, and that's your off and delay off. So there's the first sound. It's not bad at all. It's going to sound louder on the phone than it really is. It's not bad. Here's medium. And then watch what happens when I go to high. It got some pretty good boom to it. Watch that center filter. See how it actually pulls them up. It's got a pretty good pull. That doesn't happen when you remove those charcoal filters. And then here's the lights. They're really bright. Very impressive. Now it's blinking to show it's on the delay off. And if I toggle it again, it will turn off. There you go. It's a great little hood.